Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how to recognize bearish areas in the stock market by using the RSI. Now how to recognize bearish areas by using the RSI in a downtrend, in a side trend or an uptrend. This video is all about the purpose of this video to explain or to cover all three of these in a single video. So let's get started with the video. As you can see that this is a random stock. I picked up a random stock and plotted the RSI. Now at this level, as you can wait a minute, let me. Now at this level, as you can see that the the RSI showed, the bulls showed much. The purpose of the RSI shows the overbought and oversold areas, and it also shows the strength of the bulls and the bears. How much the bulls are wanting to push the market upward, and how much the bears want to push the market downward. This video is all to explain you that. So let's get started. Now at this level, as you can see that the bulls were stronger, the strength was strong, so they pushed the market much higher than these two, because they wanted to push the market upward, and also they wanted to push them raise the prices of the stock, because they thought that lower prices is not that much for paying. They do not want to pay lower prices for the stock, so they push the market upward. Now at this level, you can see that the faster the market rose, the faster the market falls. The market fall. So again, the bulls jumped back in and pushed the market upward, but this time the strength was not. But the bulls were not that much strong. So the market rose a bit, and again in the same. Again they pushed the market downward. The bulls pushed the market downward, and again at this level, the bulls pushed the market upward. They made the market an uptrend, but this time the strength was not that much. They just wanted to raise the prices, want to make a quick buck. So at this level, you can see that the strength was not that strong. Now at this level, as you can see that this is a bit of a side trend. Now in a side trend, what you're going to do, I've also explained this to you in my previous video. You'll have to plot your own overbought and oversold areas. So in this case, you can see that the 42 level is the overbought area, oh sorry, the oversold area, and plot this as the oversold area. Now you can see that the trend is an uptrend. Sorry, the trend is a side trend in this case. As you can see at these levels, you can see that it's a side trend. So in a side trend, if you want to invest in the stock market, enter into the market, but wait for the stocks to give you some positive results in this case. So so if it gives you positive results, I don't mean that it gives you slightly positive. Wait for it. If you want to gain much more results, it's like you'll have to take risks at some point. So enter at this level and wait for the market to give you positive, and so it did. As you can see that, so it did give you positive results. Now in where is it? Now in this case, as you can see that it gave you positive results at this level, but it showed signs of bullishness, but the overall trend was downtrend. So the market did not move in the upward, in an uptrend. It continued in the bearish direction. So the market was bearish, so it continued its bearish continuation. In this case, you can see that the market was bearish, but the strength of the bears at this level was greater as compared to these two levels, and the bulls took benefit of this strength, because the strength at this level was much higher, and they entered the market at this level and moved the market a bit upward. But again the bears gained control of the market and pushed the market downward, and the bulls entered again at this level, as you can see, and they pushed the market upward. Now where is it? I saw something. Where is it? So it might show you, so the RSI might show you some positive results in a downtrend, but if the overall trend is a downtrend, you cannot continue in that direction, because the overall trend is a downtrend, and you will have to wait for the candlesticks to show you some positive results. Let me remove this one. So So at certain points we'll have to recognize certain areas of profits and certain areas of losses. So this is all about trading in the stock market. Now you can see that these two showed signs of bearishness. So you can see that this was also an uptrend. So this was an uptrend, and the bulls were strong at this level, so they pushed the market upward. As you can see that the overall trend was an uptrend. These were small breakouts, sorry, small pullbacks, so it didn't that matter that much, so the market moved upward. As you can see that at this level it also showed slightly signs of bullishness, so the market moved upward. Now in this case, as you can see that the bears were strong at this level. The bulls got excited, the bears were strong, so they showed a bit signs of bullishness in the trend, but the overall trend was a downtrend, and they pushed the market downward. Now most of the video is the same as the previous one. So there's one thing you will have to consider. You will also have to use, if you're using the RSI, you will also have to use one other indicator for this as well, to show you, to give you the desired results that you want, by using not just for the RSI, but every indicator that you're using. You'll have to master one other skill for this as well, like I've mastered the candlestick psychology, so I know how will the bulls and the bears react. So in this case, if the market is bearish and it shows signs, slightly signs of bullishness, it means, what it means here at this level is that the market is bearish at different points. So that was all about using the RSI in a downtrend, and an uptrend, downtrend, and side trend. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.